Motivation doesn't work. I have been reading a lot of motivational books, listening to motivational audios, seeing motivational videos, but nothing is working in my life. Nowadays, few of my friends have been asking me that, Subish, you have been doing a lot of motivational sessions, but do you think motivation works? So in this session, I am going to just brief you about what are the types of motivation and how you can adapt according to the situation. So here you go. Now, basically there are two types of motivation. One is intrinsic and the other is extrinsic. Now, as the name suggests itself, extrinsic means you are motivated by something external, and intrinsic means you are motivated internally. Now, to give you examples, let's say you're going to your office or for work and you're just going for the sake of the salary. You don't enjoy it. That is extrinsic. And intrinsic means you are enjoying it. Now, you may ask a question, yeah, Subish, correct. I enjoy the work, but at the same time, I'm also motivated by salary. Yes, but that is where you need to really go deep and identify which is the higher one. So if you are really enjoying the process, then it is an intrinsic one. But if your salary comes higher, it's an extrinsic one. So another example, which is a popular one. Now, I have seen, including myself, like let's say when someone comes to a home, like we know that some guests are coming to a home, we start organizing our home, cleaning it and stuff like that, right? But if it happens naturally, we don't do it naturally. But if it happens naturally, like we are just doing it, even if the guest doesn't come, we want to keep our house clean and organized. That is intrinsic. But if it depends on the guests coming and going, that is extrinsic. Another example. Now, if there's a child, or let's say we want to learn something. Okay, we are learning something to just get a degree or just to get graduated or stuff like that. Or if you are learning something to know more about it, to feel good about it, and enjoy the learning process, that is intrinsic. So I hope you're getting. I gave three differences. So it's as simple as that. Extrinsic means you are motivated by something external, and intrinsic means you're motivated some internal. So now there is nothing wrong with extrinsic or intrinsic. Nothing is good or bad, but you need to know when to use when. For example, let's say you want a child to do something like a homework or want to do a task. You may say that, okay, if you do this task, I will buy you a chocolate or buy you a toy or stuff like that. That is extrinsic and you have to use it there. Sometimes there's a process where you have to mix and match and you have to change accordingly. For example, you have a long-term goal of losing weight. Okay, now you are motivated by something. Okay, you ultimately are motivated for you to feel good about losing weight. Looking at your body, you feel much more confident. That's all intrinsic. But at the same time, let's say it may take about 1 or 2 years. You need to have something extrinsically motivating for you to complete the process. So let's say it can be like once I lose 2 kilos of weight, I will get something. Like I will have a good outing in a restaurant or something like that, or you will watch a movie. Something externally motivated can be added to a intrinsic motivation goal. Now it's not compulsory, but still it helps. So what I'm saying is intrinsic motivation always is long lasting. So if you have a long-term goal and you may feel like, okay, sometimes you may feel that, okay, I'm not motivated enough to finish this task. That is because you have not linked that goal or that task to something intrinsically motivating. Okay, so this is where you have to identify. So next time you say motivation doesn't work, or I've been tried a lot of things, it is not happening for me, you need to identify this thing. What is motivating me, and then adapt accordingly. So I hope you got this message and start adapting, and I'm sure that you will get motivated and doing some great things in your life. So all the best to you. See you soon in the next video. Thank you.